Hi, my name is Hiba, nice to meet you, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm gonna show you how to opt for that minimal makeup look. This is perfect for people like me who love makeup but don't like having too much product on our face and want our skin to be able to breathe and like to use small amount of product. So small, in fact, that maybe one of your concealers can last you a whole year. Nah, I'm just talking shit. Or am I? Before we start, I just want to clarify that I am not a makeup professional. I am a makeup enthusiast. Do I have a huge vanity with like 20 foundations, 50 concealers, and hundreds of lipsticks? No. Maybe someday, but not today. Today, I'm just a girl who's sharing her love of makeup through these videos with whatever products that I have available. I personally don't believe that you need to have too much product or need to spend a lot of money to be able to achieve those creative glam looks that you see online. Little goes a long way, and resourcefulness is the real flex. As always, let's skip through the chit chat except where I say subscribe to your girl and help support my channel so I can make more videos for you. And with that, this is how to minimal makeup. So to prep my skin, I'm going ahead and moisturizing my face. I'm using the CeraVe Moistuizing Lotion. I really like this. I have very dry skin, so this is a must. Oh yeah, baby. So for this entire look, I'm going to be using like around 5-6 products only, and that's all you really need in my opinion from a day-to-day daily basis. First thing I'm going to do is go in with some concealer and conceal the blemishes that we have on our face. I'm going to be using this HD Lifting Concealer from e.l.f. in the shade Light. This is a medium coverage, lightweight concealer. And what I like to do is I like applying this right here in the inner third of the eye, as well as right here at the edges, just for that lifted look. And with the rest, I'm just going to dibble dabble that on areas that I want concealed. So I have a lot of redness and stuff going on, so we're gonna just be concealing that. Notice that I'm not using a lot of product. I'm just dabbing a little bit on these areas. And I'm also going to go ahead and apply some here and here and here and here and here and here and here. I'm just kidding. But basically anywhere that I kind of want coverage. All right, so that's done. I'm gonna leave that concealer on for just a little bit. And note that the concealer shade is my skin tone. It's not lighter or darker. Otherwise, it'll look really weird when you're covering up the patches on your skin. And if it's too light, you're gonna have like light spots on your skin and it just won't look good. So make sure it's your skin tone. So the concealer has been sitting on my face for about 30 seconds to a minute, and now I'm gonna go ahead and blend it out. To blend it out, I'm going to be using this brush over here. Like I said, not a professional, may not be the right brush. I don't know. Welcome to Hiba's world. This is how we do things in this side of town. So I'm going to be grabbing this brush and I'm basically going to be focusing on the edges of the concealer. This is why I said don't use too much product, because if you have it caked up, it's gonna look really weird. So use a little bit of product, enough to just cover up the blemishes. So now with this brush, I'm just going to feather out the edges just like this. And as for the blemishes, I'm going to try my best to do the exact same thing where I'm trying to feather out the edges and maybe even dab onto the blemishes ever so slightly. You don't want to over blend this because then it's going to lose its coverage. So blend with a very nice light hand. So instantly you can see that all the redness is gone. My dark circles are considerably less noticeable, and you know, we're feeling good about how things are. Step 2 is going to be to set these areas with a loose finishing powder. The one that I'm going to be using today is Maybelline's FitMe Loose Finishing Powder in Fair Light. To set, I'm going to use this fluffy brush over here. It is semi-dense, pretty soft, and covers up large areas. So I'm not grabbing too much product, and I'm making sure to tap off right after, because using too much powder can lead to a cakey and creasy appearance. So little goes a long way. And we're just going to tap this in like so on all the areas that we just covered. Also, I do want to note that because I crease a lot right here, I didn't put concealer there. I actually put my concealer a little bit lower than where I crease a lot. That way, when I was actually blending out, only a small amount of product went into that area, thus reducing chances of creasing. So that's just a little hack that I do when I do my makeup. And because I have oily lids, I'm also going to be applying the powder straight onto my lids. Time to add some color on this face. Now this is a totally personal choice. You can either go straight for a bronzer or you can go for a blush depending on your look. A bronzer will add warmth to your face and blush will add like a little bit of a glow and some life into your face, for a lack of better words. I'm gonna go ahead and use some blush. I'm getting rid of all the powder that we just used before we go on to the blush. Today I'm using e.l.f. Cosmetics Primer Infused Shimmer Blush in Always Breezy. It's a really nice blush because it does have shimmer in it, so you don't really need highlighter, and it gives off the illusion of having highlighter, but very subtle, so it's perfect for this look. I'm going to use this angled contour brush to apply that, and I'm going to start off by just dabbing small amounts right here onto the high points of my cheek and working my way up to my temples, and this will just add a bit of color. So dabbing and then blending. I like blending like this. This is just how I do it. So we go up, come down, and brush. I like having a little bit of blush on my nose, so I just apply like a teeny amount here. I just like it because it just makes me feel more lively. I am anemic. Your girl doesn't have your girl doesn't have a lot of blood flow, so you know she's gotta fake it till she makes it. So I'm just putting on some blush here. Next up, mascara. This is L'Oreal's Voluminous Million Lashes. I like to apply my mascara by first applying a coat like this with like short, quick strokes like that. And then once I feel like I've built up enough product on my lashes, I like to then wiggle it like this. So wiggle, flick, wiggle, and it's okay if you get some on your lid. This is bound to happen. I personally love a nice highlight. You don't have to. A minimal makeup look typically doesn't have too much highlight going on, but you know, I'm a Hibba's world. Taking a big fluffy tapered brush like this and a highlighter, I'm gonna be using this one over here. This is from e.l.f. Cosmetics Glow and Gleam Beam Highlighting Palette. So just grabbing a tiny bit amount, tap. Going to be applying this right over here. A very small amount, to be honest, like, and that's pretty much it. I also, if you want, you can apply this in other areas. I'm extra, so yeah. And finally, I just like to go with a nice lip balm. I'm gonna go ahead and use just a plain old lip balm, just because, you know, this is what I typically realistically do, put on my lips every single day. You could go ahead and use a tinted lip balm or use a lipstick, totally up to you, but I personally go for a lip balm. This is a DIY lip balm, by the way. My sister made this. It has cocoa butter, jojoba oil, beeswax, lemongrass, and peppermint. So it's clear, no color, just a nice lip balm. So let's not forget the brows. Now, a lot of people do their brows. I personally don't have to because genetics has blessed me. Don't evil eye this, please, okay? Mashallah, knock on wood. This is really, really nice to wear like every single day. It's super lightweight, covers up the blemishes. covers up your dark circles, brings a glow to your face, extends the lashes a little bit, hydrated lips, and we're feeling good. All in all, for this entire look, these are the products that I use. There are a total of 6 products. This look takes me approximately 5 to 7 minutes to do, and I'm good to go for my day. It does last me a very long time, and I'm comfortable. Anyway guys, so this is my minimal makeup look. I think it's great, very, very comfortable. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you learned something from this. If not, that's okay. I hope you just like me. Anyway, let me know your thoughts on this look in the comments. Also, please don't forget to smash that subscribe button and support your girl make more videos. If you enjoyed this video, learned something from it, or simply just enjoyed it, please do give it a thumbs up. I appreciate it so much. Also, don't forget to hit that bell notification so that you know exactly when I drop more videos in the future. I am trying to be more consistent here on YouTube, so ding 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 ding. Thank you so much for watching. Love you guys. Take care. Be safe. Bye.